Hello little, hi, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. Today we are listen. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm. Yes, my little, your favorite poem, na? And learn about farm animals. Are you excited to see farm animals? ओके उसके पहले चैनल को क्या करना है? यस, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। ऐसी इस वीडियो हर रोज देखने के लिए चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना। ओके, लेट्स गो टू सी एनिमल्स। Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around
What do
the
you
farm,
see, little?
around the farm.
A cow.
A cow.
Cow give us to milk.
A goat.
A goat.
God also give us to milk.
A hen.
A hen.
Hen give us to egg.
A sheep.
A sheep. A
Pig. A
pig.
horse.
A horse. A duck.
A duck.
A
Dog.
What do you see, little? Come on, my little, say with me. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm. Yes, let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm. What do you see, little? And goodbye to all animals. Say with me. Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, pig. Goodbye, horse. Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, hen. Goodbye, goat. Goodbye, elephant. Oh, elephant on the farm? No. Bye-bye, little. Hey little, I hope आपने वीडियो एंजॉय किया होगा। अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। ओके, और वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर भी कर देना। ओके, बाय, सी यू सून माय लिटल, गुड बाय।